If you need to add a coming soon page to your website homepage on WordPress, this video is going to show you exactly how. What you want to do is go navigate to plugins and go ahead and click add new. We want to search the plugins for coming soon. We can see the Seed Pro website builder by Seed Pro. That is what we want to install. So go ahead and click install. And once it's installed, we can click activate. And what we want to do is just exit the setup. Let's go ahead and navigate out of this. And just to show you guys what the site looks like now, we are working on building out a new theme, but there's a lot of work to do. So this is 8482media.com. So we want to come back and we can go ahead and select coming soon mode on. And we can say, set up our coming soon page. And here we can select a lot of, different options, for example. So let's just go with this free option. We don't need to subscribe to anything. And you can go ahead and change this text if you would like. And as soon as you click save, it will be updated. Now, you may notice that when you're customizing your site, if you go to it, you will see the, current website that you're working on since you're logged in. But if you log out, you won't see that. As you can see in the top right corner, coming soon mode is active. So hopefully this helped. Let me know if you have any other problems in the comments below.